I took over the Pualei O Likolehua in 2015 after the passing of our Kumu and my mother, Leina Ala Kalama Heine. She has been a staunch supporter to the Prince Lot Festival. So it is trying that, we now have to teach via Zoom through different means of communication. But as we teach hula and we share our ike with our students, as long as we as Kumu hula remain to pass on the ike or the information, all the history and everything to our haumana, it will never die. So hula is a living practice. For us cultural practitioners, hula is life.